I want to make a short video on how to emphasize words in PowerPoint. So this is the look we're after. This is the new title for my YouTube channel, and so we're about helping Bible teachers teach the Bible better, discipleship, teaching, PowerPoint, and Logos Bible software, and etc. So let's talk about how we can do that. We first got the slide itself that has the basic text that's there. And we essentially copy this slide. Let me delete these so we can just create this from scratch. There we go. And delete those. Okay, so we're going to take this slide and we're going to copy and paste it. Now we're going to take the whole slide, home page, and we want to change the color of that to a gray. All right, then we want to take helping Bibles teach the Bible better. That's what we want to emphasize first. Teach the Bible better. And so we want to make that white, and we'll take this will be our template. So take that and copy it to here. And we take that white and the format painter and change that to discipleship. We take this gray, take the format painter and change all that back to gray. Then we take this one, and we can do this 2 or 3 times here. So that one is discipleship. This one we want to change to discipleship, format painter to teaching. This format painter to gray. Next one is PowerPoint. So we take this format painter to PowerPoint, this gray, and we have one more, and that is to take this format and drop it to there, and this format and drop it to there. Now let's look at our work here. Okay, over here on the side, teach the Bible, discipleship, teaching, PowerPoint, Logos Bible software. So let's check our work. All right, this is the one we just created. All right, we want to help Bible teachers teach the Bible better, discipleship, teaching, PowerPoint, and Logos Bible software. There you go. And you can use this with Bible verses. I often use this with Bible verses where I'll put the whole Bible verse up there and then have a second slide where I emphasize one particular word. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, if you're interested in any of these topics, discipleship, teaching, PowerPoint, and Logos Bible software, let me encourage you to subscribe to this channel, and we'll be making some other videos in time. Thanks. Bye.